Here is an example of a slope. A slope must be a straight line on a graph. On the left you see the correct way a slope is supposed to look, with a constant pathway that doesn't change. Now on the right you see the opposite. It is the wrong way a slope is supposed to look. It changes course and isn't a straight line. A slope is determined by its linear equation. A linear equation is also known as a slope-intercept equation. The equation for a slope is y equals mx plus b. Hey, it's okay to look at this for the first time and be a little scared, but that is why I am here. I will teach you what this means, so don't worry. M represents the slope. We will go over how to find m in a minute. B represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the slope touches the y-axis. Before we continue, let's review for a moment. M represents the slope and B represents the y-intercept. Now let's discuss how to find m. Since m represents the slope, then m can be figured out by finding the delta y over the delta x. In other words, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You also may know it as rise over run. A good way to remember that y is rise and x is run is with a simple analogy. When you run, it's usually on a flat terrain. So run is easily represented as x since it seems to be flat. So as we learned, m can also be represented as these. Choose whichever you like best so it can stick with you longer. These represent 3 different slopes, each having their own color. If you notice, there are 3 red dots. These 3 red dots represent the y-intercept or b in the equation. They not only tell us where the slope hits the y-axis, but they also can help as a good starting point for drawing your slope. I hope you learned a lot today. It was great teaching you all. And I hope you liked what I was wearing. I dressed my best for this lesson. Thank you for giving me your attention. Well, until next time. Goodbye.